Well, everybody, I didn't bring you along to tear it down because, there's just 8 screws per corner, so 30 some screws, and then some other odd and end little screws. But anyways, nice looking pile of extrusion. And if your yard don't pay extrusion for that, then you need to find a new yard. Got the vacuum still to tear down. I got this one piece that is still attached to the piece of door frame that I gotta unscrew. And then I got that. And believe it or not, I didn't put a magnet on it, but with the weight of it, I would say that's stainless. I'll put a magnet on it. It might be just a heavy piece of aluminum. I don't know. But I'm going to put a little short clip of what I did yesterday. Or no, Saturday. This is now Monday. I'm going to put a short clip in here showing you when I picked it up. So I hope you enjoy and you stay blessed and come back for more. And please like, share, and subscribe if you've made it this far. Teddy, what are you doing, bud? Teddy, look. Yeah. He's been being a very good boy. He was sick last night for a little bit, but I think he's over that now. I figured I'd bring you a little Teddy time, so he's been wanting my time now, so I'll let y'all go. I got a wide load on here, and it's pretty heavy. So guess what I gotta do? I gotta pull it up this hill again. And I'm even further down from where I was last time. But it's okay. I'm gonna get her. So I'll be back with you shortly. Well, I made it home and it's on the porch, as you can see. I had another scrapper that I had a falling out with. He stopped and was sitting at a stop sign watching me pull the bike up the hill. I don't care. Like, if he was mad because I got a piece of scrap or what it was, I don't care. I know I got it, and it's home with me, so that's all that matters. Now I get to tear all this stuff down that I found today. I might even go out riding tomorrow. So if I do, stay tuned and watch for a video tomorrow.